Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a quick little Build It Break It Garage video. Wanted to get something up so that way I continue with my momentum of uploading pretty regularly. Yeah, as you can tell, it is snowing outside. And I don't have I still have the summer tires on the Ratty car and on the Cruise. So I'm gonna switch it over to snow tires, and I'm also gonna take off the body kit front bumper and the side skirts off of the Ratty car. I don't want them to get destroyed during the winter. Yeah, so I'm pulling the cars out right now and about to pull the Cruise in and start warming up the garage because it's cold in here. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me over the heater. Unfortunately this winter I'm going to have to deal with that in the background from now on. I got the Cruise in the garage, as you can see, and I got the snow tires in, already placed where they're going to be, so it's time to lift the car up and swap out these wheels. Alright guys, so as you can tell, the Cruise is back on the ground. All the snow tires are on and the pressure's set, so they're all good. Now I just gotta go to the store and get the tires relearned. But I pretty much lost the motivation after doing that. I don't really feel like doing anything. It's kind of a snowy, crappy day out. Yeah, it's just kind of miserable out here. So I'm gonna cut this off short, and I'm gonna go ahead and just continue on when I start working on the Ratty car to make it winter ready. Yeah, I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. Alright guys, well it's day number 2. Gonna go ahead and get started moving all these cars around because I gotta get these 2 out of the garage to get the Ratty car in so I can start working on that. So yeah, let's start moving cars around. Alright guys, well I got the Ratty car in the garage, obviously, as you saw. I already got the front end up in the air because I'm trying to check and see. They said at Bell Tire last time I went to go get an alignment that my upper strut mount was moving. And I just checked both of them and they seem both perfectly fine, so I don't know what the hell they're talking about. I think they were just trying to upsell me on something, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get these tires swapped and then start working on the appearance mod that are going to be a lot more fun than just doing tires. Alright, got the car back on the ground. All the winter tires are filled and at the proper pressures. One was completely flat, so hopefully that's not going to be a recurring issue. But now comes the actual fun part, taking the body kit off, the front and sides, and making our own today. So I'm going to go ahead and throw you guys back in the time lapse, and I'm going to rip this car apart. Alright, so I got the front bumper and side skirts off, as you can see. I'm going to do something special with the side skirts since I had some spare parts laying around. I'm actually going to be taking, this is a stock side skirt, and then this is a stock side skirt for a coupe. And I'm going to be sticking this to that and making a nice little side skirt out of it. Alright, got the first side skirt on, and I do say so myself, it looks really good. As you can see, like a double step lip. So I'm going to do the second one. I'm not going to film that one, and I'll start filming when I start doing the bumper zip ties because that should be interesting. And just like that, got the driver's side one on, and I feel very confident that those are going to go nowhere. I think it looks really cool on the car, and it matches with the rear lip, so it's not like uneven. But now I'm going to start working on the bumper. I'm going to take off the Mach 1 lip, and then I am going to try to zip tie the Type R lip to it. So we'll see how long that lasts in the snow. Okay, so I accidentally, like, I set up the camera to film, but only a certain spot of the garage, and I totally forgot I was filming, so I didn't really get the installation of the bumper put on. But as you can see here, the car, it's all put together. It's got the front lip like all zip tied on. Got it on both sides, and I cut the zip ties this time because I want to try to make it look a little good, but I think it looks pretty cool. I'm going to take it out and get some pictures of it outside of the garage. Yeah, that'll wrap it up for this. So thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe is very important if we want to keep growing. So yeah, have a good day. Peace.